Welcome to the Gesture Controlled Robot. We are a group from Tripoli department. This is our robot which is controlled by different gestures. It has actually three parts: the transmitter, the receiver and the boat. For transmitter, we used an Arduino Uno, an ADXL335 accelerometer, a 433 MHz RF transmitter and a breadboard. For receiver and the boat, we used another Arduino Uno 433 MHz RF receiver, a L293D motor driver IC, chassis and wheels, two DC motors, breadboard, and of course we needed jumper wires and 9 voltage batteries. Let's start with the transmitter. We are using two pins of the ADXL335 accelerometer, X pin and the Y pin. When I move my hand forward and backward, X pin will generate different values. And similarly, when I move my hand left and right, Y pin will generate different values from the accelerometer. Two values from X and Y pins, which will have unique values for different gestures, is the input for the Arduino of the transmitter. The different gestures that have been mapped to the direction of the boat are hand parallel to the ground to make the boat stationary, hand tilted forward to move the boat forward, hand tilted backward to move the boat backward, hand tilted right to turn the boat to right, and hand tilted left to turn the boat to left. We calibrated the range of values of X and Y when the hand is tilted forward, backward, left, right and parallel to the ground. The next step is interfacing RF transmitter with the Arduino. Basically what the code does is to map the different gesture to different letters. For example, S for stationary state, F for forward move, B for backward move, L for left move, R for right move, and which are then transmitted through the RF transmitter. The 433 MHz carrier frequency is actually transmitting the ASCII codes of the corresponding letters. In the receiving end, RF receiver catches the same data by using the same 433 MHz carrier frequency. The code in the Arduino maps the different letters obtained from the receiver to the input of the motor driver for directions. For instance, if the receiver receives the letter F corresponding to the boat moving forward, it maps the letter F with the inputs low, high, high, low, which are the required inputs for the boat to move forward, and the other codes are decoded accordingly. Finally, gesture controlled robot is complete to run.